Do not be up here being like, once upon a time I went to Disney World and I rode on the ride 36 cents. No. Something quick and easy so I can change it. You can hear it. It's funny. It's silly. But we don't got to wait forever because this line is like 20 kids long. Okay?
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you. Okay, cool. Let's start it up. So we're going to go like this. 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 We're going to go like this.
I have a ticket. I ate a fruit. I like green hair.
Mayonnaise on an escalator.
I don't heard the escalator part. I don't even know.
I like pizza. What? I like pizza.
It's so good.
I like to watch
Thank you. You have all been excellent science audience. Thank you so much. I hope you had fun.